everyone, this is Rituraj from Pune, a proud volunteer as well as member for Agile Testing Alliance since last several years. And yes, we are back with ATA GTR 2022. This time, again, I'm contributing as one of the organizing team members as well as jury for ATA GTR 2022. There are so many global speakers who are going to come and share their knowledge with us. ATA GTR 2022 is on its way. This is going to happen in the month of December this year. I'm really looking forward to see you all in there so that we can network, learn, share, and grow together. Thank you.